Welcome to Bobblehead George. Today, with the help of periodic presidents, we're going to take a look at POTUS number 6, John Quincy Adams. John Quincy Adams was well positioned to be president of the United States. The son of a former president, John Quincy's intelligence, education, and sense of history made him more than highly qualified to be our chief executive. John Quincy Adams served as a U.S. minister to various European nations. He was a member of the United States Senate. He helped lead the negotiations that drew up the Treaty of Ghent, ending the War of 1812. Served as James Monroe's Secretary of State. All this before winning the election of 1824 and becoming our 6th president. The election of 1824 was unique in American history. The Federalist Party had all but disappeared and was no longer a player on the national stage. This election pitted multiple candidates from the same political party against each other, each representing different sections of the country, pretty much ending the era of good feelings. This election was also the first in American history in which the popular vote was counted. When all was said and done, Andrew Jackson won the most popular votes and the most electoral votes, but nobody won the majority, throwing the outcome of the election into the House of Representatives. Due to the backing of Henry Clay, who was then nominated to become Secretary of State, John Quincy Adams won the election of 1824, becoming the only president to date to win the presidency, but yet lose both the popular and the electoral vote. The number 6 on the top center of John Quincy's cell indicates that he was our 6th president. The number 1 on the top right-hand side of the cell indicates that he was elected to the presidency one time. John Quincy's cell is also shaded purple. This signifies that he was a member of the Democratic Republican Party. The years 1825 to 1829 are also on John Quincy's cell. These indicate the years that he served as our president. John Quincy had a miserable presidency with very few accomplishments. His stubborn personality, coupled with an obstructionist Congress, made governing virtually impossible. Like his father before him, John Quincy Adams lost his re-election bid to his political rival, Andrew Jackson, in 1828. Not one to sit around and be idle, John Quincy Adams was then elected to the United States House of Representatives. During his 18 years in the United States House of Representatives, John Quincy Adams worked tirelessly to end the institution of slavery. He passionately served his Massachusetts constituents until his death in 1848. Including his congressional career, John Quincy Adams served in public office during the administration of the first 11 presidents. And it's for this reason that we can honestly say that we love John Quincy Adams. If you want to learn more about the presidents, presidential elections, the Constitution, and so much more, be sure to visit Periodic Presidents at periodicpresidents.com. To make sure that you don't miss out on more original history content, click up here. And if you want to see the previous president, click down here. We'll see you next time.